Hello guys, in this very short video for intermediate advanced class for Excel, we're going to be taking a look at what we call name and label themselves. Names are very useful in Excel. It makes it easier for you to actually create formulas, and since names are going to be there for you throughout your workbook, it makes it easier for you to actually make reference to them. So let us look at the different ways of creating names and labels in Excel. There are actually three ways of doing it, but we're going to take a look at just two for the sake of this particular video. Say for instance, you have 20 year, you have 30 year, and this cell I want to refer to it as I want to call it maths. Okay, and I want to call this English. Let's say here I want to have a total as okay, let me have somewhere here. The total could be anyway. Now I want to refer to this cell as a particular name instead of C1, and give this one a name of my choice as well. You customizing it in a way, that's what we're saying. So I can go over to the cell, make sure it's selected, go for what we call the name box. Let's say every mark that's going to come here is going to be maths. Okay, I'll just call it maths. Okay, then every mark that's going to be coming under D1 is going to be English. Okay, so it's very simple. I don't have to call these guys by their names again, say C1 or a D1. I'll just come over here. Say I want to sum the two up, for instance. I'll just say maths. Okay, you can see it pops up here plus say English. It already comes up. So get the job done. So that is how to actually name a cell. You want to see the names we actually use. That's what we call name manager under formulas. You see the formula, but they just go over to what we call the name manager. You can see the two names there. You can equally add two names. You can actually create new names here if you want. You use the method I talked about earlier on. And you can edit the name, probably rename, and you can delete them. So let's say I don't want to use these names again. Just select the two names and get up them. So you can see the error coming up here showing that those names don't exist again. Let's look at the second option called naming a range of cells. This time around we're going to be looking at naming a range of cells as against just a single cell. So I have a couple of data created here in sheet 2. I'm going to use that option now called naming a name cell to do that instead of just one. So here I have a list of students. I have what they have scored in exam and what they have scored in constitutional assessment. So my deal here is going to be with two columns, rather column C and D. So here I'm going to call column C here. I'm going to call it exam. Press enter. See, that's the entire column that is selected. I'll select C here as well and call it what? CA. Press enter. So this column is no longer column C, and this column is no longer column D. They are both now referred to as what? Exam and CA. So if I want to find the total here, I'll just come over here, see exam, which you can see here, plus CA, which you can equally see here. I get 700. So I can bring out the entire data from the column. So those are the two ways for creating that. Of course, we still have one other one that has to do with selecting a group of cells to do that. So once again, you can actually go over to your name manager to see the name. So if I find myself in sheet 3, for instance, I want to make reference to the names again. If I bring out E, type E, a list of options comes out. Exam is there. And if I bring out those options that will be under CA, you can see CA is equally there. So which means throughout the entire workbook, anywhere I find myself in, I can use those names that I've created, I can make reference to them. So guys, we've come to another end of this short video. So watch out for more videos, and remember, you can always go to our YouTube video to actually download more of these videos. Have a nice time.